In this video, I will show you how to turn on iCloud for Apple Health. First, open your Apple Health app. From the menu, you will notice it says you're not connected to iCloud yet. Now, head back to your home screen and tap on the Settings app. Inside Settings, go to iCloud. If you see saving is paused, just tap See All beside it. Scroll down until you find the Health app, then tap on it. Here, simply switch the toggle on to connect your Apple Health with iCloud. Once that's done, go back to the Health app and you will see it's already syncing. Your health data will now stay updated and backed up automatically across all your devices. And that's how to turn on iCloud for Apple Health.